So I just washed my hair and now I'm gonna dry my hair with this blow dryer Boutique by Conair. You have an LCD screen and you can also choose from 5 heat and speed settings. So that's great if you don't want to damage your hair. It's one of my concerns, so I use this blow dryer now so I can minimize damage on my hair. I do have a cowlick at the back of my hair. So what I do, and this is a trick I got from my hairstylist, is that if you have the same thing, which sucks a lot, what you have to do is basically as soon as you wash your hair, as soon as possible, you need to take care of your cowlick. So you do like you dry your hair from this side and then on the other side, and then you do this for like 5 minutes or so, because you want to not give, you don't want your cowlick to have one direction, so you want it to give it no direction, so alternate all the time, so you can stop the cowlick from setting in one direction. So that's what I'm gonna do now, because I need to do this ASAP. Otherwise, it's gonna be a disaster. So let's do this. Look who it is! Koopy! That is my go-to curling iron that I use almost every day. I like to separate my hair because I do have thick hair. So I did the lower part of my hair and now I'm gonna do this part. So basically I take like a small piece of hair like this, not too, like just like this, and then I turn it around like this and I wait like 10 seconds. And I go back and forth a little bit. And I put the curling iron like this towards the floor. Straight like this. Voila. I try to leave the end out of the iron, the curling iron, like this. Just leave it a piece out of it. And now I'm going to do the rest of my hair. So the final step is to take a comb like this and I brush my hair like that. So it really gives like a natural soft, like a natural soft wave. So it really looks natural. Like this. And I do the same on the other side. a hairspray like this. Design.me sent me this hairspray when I went to New York Fashion Week, so I like to use it. And I spray a little bit. So that is the final look. So thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye.